I'm Lindsay. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect boiled egg. Start with supplies. First we have our eggs, small, medium-sized pan, a cooling bucket, or something to scoop the eggs out when they're done. The first step is to put the eggs very carefully in the bottom of the pan. Next, I'm adding water, just enough to cover the eggs. Heat is on high. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to take it off the heat and let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm going to let them boil 20 seconds, put our lid on, turn my heat off, and remove them from the heat. Take a small bowl, put some ice in it. I have ice. Well, you have ice. I'm going to fill with water, and this is going to be the cool-off bath for the eggs when they're done. Steel bowl is nice because it keeps everything really cold. I'm going to take my handy scooper and I'm transferring now to the ice bath. Let them sit for at least 5 minutes. One quick way to check to see if the egg is done when you take it out of the water is a spin test. If they're spinning fast like that, then it's hard boiled. Give it a little tap. The cooling part is very important. It allows the shell to come off very easily. Clean, deshelled, hard boiled egg. Beautiful. I have a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg.